In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through the Udemy website to access your purchase history and download an invoice. We'll take this step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease and confidence. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you have that open, type Google into the address bar and press enter. This will bring you to the Google's homepage, a familiar starting point for our journey today. Now that you're on the Google homepage, locate the search bar and type in Udemy. You'll want to search for Udemy to help us quickly navigate to the official site without any hiccups. The search results should appear almost instantly. Among the top of these results, you should see a link to the Udemy official site, Udemy Online Courses. Go ahead and click on this link. This will redirect you to the main page of Udemy's website. Once you're on Udemy's site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Here you'll find a wealth of online courses covering just about any topic you can imagine. But for today, let's focus on what we're here for, accessing your account details. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see an option that says Log In. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Udemy makes it simple for you to log in. For a quick and secure way to sign in, use the option Continue with Google. By selecting this, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account and log in seamlessly. Be sure you're using the account associated with your Udemy purchases. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access the courses and options Udemy offers its users. To pursue our specific task today, we want to take a look at our purchase history. At the top of the page, locate and click on your profile icon, often represented by a small circle with your profile picture or initials. Within the profile menu, you'll find a tab labeled Purchase History. Selecting this will direct you to a comprehensive list of all your transactions made on the platform. This is incredibly useful for reviewing what you've invested in and perhaps deciding on future purchases. Lastly, to obtain your invoice, look through the list for the course or package you're interested in. Within each item, you'll notice an option that says Invoice. Clicking this will bring up a PDF version of your invoice, which you can easily download and save for your records. And there you have it. This process allows you to keep track of your purchases on Udemy and download official invoices whenever needed. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials just like this one.